मैं मुनीरा असलम टीचर BHSS यूनसू सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी क्लास 9th chapter diversity in living organisms topic vertebrata and subclass Pisces and Amphibia. Vertebrata, these are the animals having a true vertebral column and internal skeleton that helps in movement. वर्टिब्रेटा वो वाले एनिमल्स को हम बोलते हैं जिनके अंदर वर्टिब्रल कॉलम और बैकबोन डेवलप हो गई होती है. अभी तक हमने जितने भी फाइलास पढ़े वो इनवर्टिब्रेट्स हैं. दैट मीन्स दे डू नॉट हैव अ वर्टिब्रल कॉलम. Along with the vertebral column, there is presence of an internal skeleton. Skeletal system we know helps in providing support, rigidity, shape to the body, along with locomotion. Movement. They are bilaterally symmetrical, that is, the organs repeat on the left and the right side. We will have an eye on the left side, eye on the right side, lung on the left side, lung on the right side, kidney on the left side, kidney on the right side. They are triploblastic. The body is differentiated into ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. They have a coelom, that is, a body cavity is present between the body wall and the gut wall, यानी कि lining of the alimentary canal, and segmented with complex differentiation of the body and tissue organs. Body shows complex differentiation, that is, there is present division of labor. The cells form tissues, tissues in turn form organs, organs form organ systems, and each organ system performs its own particular function, such as the respiratory system performs the function of respiration, circulatory performs the function of circulation, excretory performs the function of excretion. Features: they have a notochord, it is a structure from which the nerve cord arises, have a dorsal nerve cord, are triploblastic and coelomate. These points we have discussed. They have paired gill slits. Now, this is a characteristic feature of vertebrates. Like fish में gill slits होते हैं, वैसे ही vertebrates में भी gill slits होते हैं, but they are not well marked in the higher vertebrates. Amphibians, reptiles, aves and mammals, the gill slits are very much reduced. And one more feature is the presence of a tailbone. Tailbone is present in the vertebrates and is their characteristic feature. It helps in providing protection to the external genitalia, in case of frog to the cloaca. Vertebrates are grouped into 5 more groups. Pisces, they are commonly called as fish. They are fish, live exclusively in water. Fish lives in water. It can be fresh water or marine water. The skin is covered with scales or plates. The body of the fish is covered by scales or plates. They breathe through gills on the side of the fish, just behind its eye. आँख के पीछे फिश के गिल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, through which water enters. Oxygen is taken from that water and then is circulated throughout the body. Move with the help of a streamlined body and use tail to change direction. जो fish होती है that moves with the help of its fins and tail, but its body is streamlined. उसका मतलब है इसकी body boat shaped होती है. The shape helps the fish to swim in water without facing friction. इस शेप की वजह से फिश जो है वो इजीली वाटर में स्विम कर पाती है. फ्रिक्शन इज ग्रेटली रिड्यूस्ड and the tail helps the fish to change its direction. They are cold-blooded animals. Poikilotherm, cold-blooded के लिए another term. इसका मतलब है जो बाहर का टेम्परेचर होगा उसी हिसाब से फिश अपनी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर भी चेंज करेगी. बाहर ठंड है, फिश का ब्लड विल बी कोल्ड, एक्टिंग एज कोल्ड. बाहर गर्मी है, फिश का ब्लड विल एक्ट एज वार्म. द हार्ट इज 2 चेम्बर. हार्ट में 2 चेम्बर हैं. They lay eggs, that is, they are oviparous. Skeleton के basis में we further classify fish into 2 more types, osteichthyes and chondrichthyes. Osteichthyes, the skeleton is made up of bones, and chondrichthyes, the skeleton is made up of cartilage. Examples of fish are Labiorohita, commonly known as रोहू. ये commonly एक fish है जो eat करते हैं लोग in southern part of India. Then we have dogfish or Scalodon. शार्क का नाम है ट्यूना. These are various examples of fishes. Amphibia. Amphibia is the term used for an organism that lives on land as well as in water. Habitat both freshwater and terrestrial. Few are arboreal. Arboreal का मतलब है those amphibians which are found on trees. A common example is hyla, commonly known as tree frog. Body form. We know that जो हमारे पास amphibians आ गए, they will follow all the general characteristics of the vertebrates. They will be triploblastic. They will have a coelom. They will have complex body differentiation with different organ systems. So here in amphibians, the body is divided into head, sir, neck, garden, trunk, and tail. Sexes are separate and fertilization is external. Female frog and the male frog are separate and they can be recognized externally, that is they show sexual dimorphism. Difference दिखाई देती है आँख को. मेल फ्रॉग में एक वोकल सैक डेवलप हो जाता है और उनकी जो फर्स्ट फिंगर हैंड की होती है, फोर फिंगर, उस पर थिकनिंग डेवलप होती है. Fertilization is external. We have two types of fertilization, internal and external. In internal fertilization, the male and the female gametes, that is the sperm and the ova, fuse in the genital tract of the female. While as in external fertilization, both the gametes, the sperm and the ova, are released into a medium. In case of amphibians, mostly released into water where they fuse together and form a new organism. Skin is present and smooth due to the presence of mucus glands. Skin is present and it is smooth. Skin smooth है, slippery है, because of the presence of mucus glands. Mucus एक slimy secretion होती है that helps in giving smoothness. The heart is three chambered. अभी हमने देखा Pisces have a two chambered heart, but the amphibians have a three chambered heart, showing evolution, simple to complex change. Respiration is carried out by gills in water and lungs on land. The frogs show respiration by gills in water. Slits जैसे होते हैं frog की body में, उसकी वजह से respiration होती है in water, and lungs on land. Pulmonary respiration takes place on the land. They lay eggs. They are egg laying, that is they are oviparous. Examples are frogs, toads, and salamander. Toads is the larva of frog. The frog does not have a tail because it belongs to class Anura. Anura means tail is absent. Thank you.